here we go. California Bruiser. It's my first time seeing this. This is cool. California Bruiser. This is awesome. I hope it's Bruiser on the inside. Yes, it is. This is cool. California Bruiser. This is my first time seeing this. So this is the receiving area 2 service elevator at King of Prussia Mall in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. This is one of the coolest I've seen yet. California Code Bruiser. That is really, really cool. I bet I'll open up to the receiving area. LL. There's the receiving area out there. I think that's slightly under level. Let's ring the bell. And let's watch it close.